Were you ever told not to play with your food? Because as a food scientist, playing with foods is my job. I see foods the same way that I see Lego, with each ingredient being its own building block that I put together to create new foods. Take peanut butter, for example. Peanut butter in its simplest form is made from peanuts that are ground into a paste, giving you a spread of peanut solids and their released oil. Do you know what the worst part of opening a jar of natural peanut butter is? Well, for me, it's when you open the jar and you see a layer of oil sitting atop the solids. Try remixing that. This separation of the oil and solids occurs as the solids want to sink to the bottom of the jar. Now, producers prevent this separation by using additives like fully hydrogenated vegetable oil, which will thicken the peanut butter and slow down the sinking solids. This addition also gives you a smooth variety peanut butter, my personal favorite, which has a spreadable texture and long shelf life. Hydrogenated vegetable oils are a common thickener in many processed foods, but they are high in saturated fats, and consuming them increases your risk for heart disease and stroke. All of us here have loved ones to take care of, so taking care of ourselves by watching what we eat is important. But I get it. Health foods don't satisfy the same as junk foods. Well, I'm here to say that maybe we can have our smooth peanut butter and spread it too. For my project, I wanted to rebuild processed foods like smooth peanut butter, replacing thickeners high in saturated fats with nutritious, protein-rich building blocks. When I think of proteins, I think of health and building muscle. But proteins are also used to build foods. Proteins are shaped like spheres, but when we heat them, they unravel and stretch out their arms, connecting to each other to thicken our foods. We see this occur in dairy foods like cheese and yogurt, where whey proteins provide this effect. So why not try it in peanut butter? Data from my lab has shown that whey proteins can thicken peanut butter models, slowing down this oil-solid separation without the need for saturated fats. We hope to take the same approach and use plant-based proteins too, so that our technique can be used in all sorts of foods and be accessible to people with all sorts of diets. In playing with peanut butter, I have outlined how we can rebuild better processed foods, block by block, bad fats to no fats, and protein by protein. The next time that you all bite into a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I hope it packs a protein punch without the hard-hitting fats. Thank you.